Hello friends, this is Vinay Lakshakar and I have 9 year experience in IT industry. Today I am going to tell you some basic concept about object oriented programming OOP. So the basic concept about OOP is following, like what is the topics I am covering, what is the object oriented programming, basic terminologies, objects, class, methods, and instance, and what are the OOPS concept like encapsulation, abstraction, polymorphism, inheritance. So, what is the object oriented programming? Object oriented programming is the programming which is related to real world entity. So, basic terminologies of objective oriented programming like object. So, it's the instance of a class. It is the working entity of a class. And what is class? It is the template or blueprint about the capability of what an object can do. What is the method? The behavior of a class, it tells what a method can do. And what is the instance? Object and instance both are same with small differences. And what the OOPS concept. So first of all, we are going to describe encapsulation. So encapsulation is a mechanism of wrapping the data instance variable and code acting on the data methods together as a single unit like a class. So the main purpose of encapsulation is you would have full control on data by using the code. In encapsulation, the variable of a class can be made hidden from other class and can be accessed through only through the methods of their current class. Therefore, it is also known as data hiding. And after that, what is the data hiding, data encapsulation? So encapsulation leads to data hiding. We use access specifier to hide the data properties and methods. Use the private and public comes under this. So the user can only perform a restricted set of operations on the hidden member of the class by executing special functions commonly called methods. What is abstraction? So abstraction is the process of hiding the implementation details from the user. Only the functionality will be provided to the user. In other words, the user will have the information on what the object does instead of how it does it. By hiding complex steps, details, computation statement inside your classes, and creating public method to access them. Example wrapper class. Abstraction is a very broad topic. So above can be seen as basic definition to say whenever anyone asks. If we want to go deep, abstraction mainly depends on point of view and many definition. So like hiding unnecessary details can have multiple implementations, like dealing with data instead of the actual event, like when you know something needs to be there but not sure how exactly it should look like. Building complex system by splitting the complex level by level. And hiding, what is hiding unnecessary details? The every function can be seen as basic abstraction. For example, a programmer doesn't care about how malloc works or how garbage collection works. After that, we are going to describe inheritance. The inheritance also a very important pillar of OOP concept. So inheritance can be defined as the process where one class acquire the properties, methods, and fields of another. Or in object-oriented programming, inheritance is when an object or class is based on another object, property inheritance, or class-based inheritance using the same implementation inheriting from an object or class, is specifying implementation to maintain the same behavior. The idea of the inheritance implemented implements the is a relationship. For example, mammal ISA animal, dog ISA mammal, hence dog ISA animal as well, and so on. And type of inheritance like single inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, and hybrid inheritance. So you can see in the image that what is the type of inheritance. Like single inheritance, it inherit the properties and methods from parent class. The child is inherited properties method from parent class is described as single inheritance. And multiple inheritance, the child can inherit properties and methods from one or more class. So it is called multiple inheritance. And multi-level inheritance, that uh, child 1 inherits the properties from parent, and child 1 also inherits the methods or properties from child 1. So it's called multi-level inheritance because child 1 also have the methods or properties of parent. And 4 is hierarchical inheritance. So hierarchical inheritance like that one parent class also inherited by child 1 and also inherited by child 2. It's called hierarchical inheritance. And 5 is hybrid inheritance variation, mix of single and multiple inheritance. So the hybrid inheritance like that child 1 has property of parent, child 2 also have the property of parents, and child 1 2 also have the properties and methods for child 1 and child 2. And parent 1, child 1 in this example, parent 2, uh, child 2 1 also have the properties of parent 2, and child 1 have the properties and methods from parent 1. Child 2 also have the properties and method from parent 1, and child 2 1 also have the properties from parent 2 and child 2 and child. This is called hybrid inheritance. And after that, polymorphism. So the polymorphism is in object-oriented programming. Polymorphism, from the Greek meaning having multiple forms, is the characteristics of being able to assign a different meaning or message or usage to something in different contexts. Specifically, to allow an entity such as a function or an object to have more than one form. There are two types of polymorphism implementation, like static polymorphism and dynamic polymorphism. So feature of polymorphism mainly depends on the programming languages. Like function overloading is possible in Java, C++, etc., but not possible in JavaScript. And operator overloading is only possible in C. So that's for now. So thanks friends for watching this video. So if you are like this video, then you can like, share, and subscribe this video, and we will meet again in another video. And if you want to any other video from in IT in any topic you want, then you can comment this topic in comment section. Thank you.